I'm looking at here prices of cut-off machine because I have some requests about how much is a cut-off machines in the Philippines, especially Cebu. I could only show you what's here in Metro Hardware. That one you're looking at, the orange one, that's a KYK cut-off machine, 2,300 watts, and it's Japan quality, and the price is 11,900 pesos. You got a cheaper version here, 2,200 watts from Greenfield, and that's cheaper. That's only 9,337. So the KYK, since it's Japan design, it's more expensive because KYK is quite popular now here in the Philippines. And up here you're looking at prices of 7 1/4 circular saw. This one is from KYK, is 4,799. There's the Greenfield 7 1/4 size circular saw is 4,337, and the Lotus, which is higher than the KYK because they have been here for so long, the 7 1/4 circular saw is 4,999. What you're looking at here is a Stanley brand of planer, 750 watts at 7,095.75 pesos. So that's the branded one, Stanley. This one is the Lotus brand of planer, and same 750 watts at only 4,195. You also got the smaller one, from Lotus at 2,695. So Lotus is like the lower brand, design in Japan and then made in China. This one is the KYK brand of planer, wood planer, 620 watts at 3,750. Now those are the planers, and I'll show you the other tools as well. Now with the planer, I will also show you the sander. This is the Makita mini sander. It's a finishing sander with the brand Makita, which is quite popular around here. It's Japan design, and this mini sander for Makita costs 3,599. Now the Lotus brand of sander, 1/4 260 watts, the same as the Makita. It's cheaper. It's 2,995. So that's a lot cheaper than the Makita brand. Now this mini sander here is made by Magstorm, and it's quite new in the market. It's a 120 watts motor. It's very compact. It's got magnesium swivel ball cord and magnesium die-cast housing for only 1,369. And that's the one there, Magstorm. I wonder where it's made. But that's the cheapest one I've seen, 1,369. This one is a mini sander from Home Life. It's 180 watts for 2,250. Home Light is like a new brand one of the new brand that enters the market here in the Philippines. And I don't know where it's made, but of course, China. So that's another sunder, mini sunder, and for home light, but I don't think they have the KYK one. And to give you an idea of the angle grinder that's available here in the Philippines, we start with a Stanley brand. On the top, that's a 580 watts Stanley grinder at 3,795.75. Now there's a 680 watts on the middle Stanley grinder at 3,995.75. Now here, behind the sign of 30%, that's the DeWalt brand angle grinder at 3,599 pesos. Now there is the 4-inch angle grinder from Makita, 540 watts at 2,999 pesos. And then there's the Lotus. It's only differs with 5 pesos because the Lotus, again 4-inch angle grinder, it's 2,995 pesos. Now this one is a 650 watts Lotus angle grinder, but unfortunately they don't even price it. So I just asked the price of the bottom one, a 650 watts angle grinder at 1,696. It's the Lotus brand. That one on the top, it's an angle grinder from Works. It's an 860 watts angle grinder at 2,689. This is how the box look. So I haven't heard this brand before. Works. Made in PRC again. So those are all this brand that I have just known is just most of them are made in PRC. Now here is another angle grinder. This is from KCT. There. It's a 600 watts angle grinder from KCT, and this is the box. So it's a 600 watts at 1,699. So KCT is Japan quality, but made in, you know, PRC. So another one, again, new here in the Philippines, this brand, Greenfield, at 650 watts at 2,300. So that's the Greenfield angle grinder, 2,300 pesos. Now here is the angle, a car polisher. Sorry. It's 4-inch angle grinder, 4-inch angle grinder, 800 watts from KYK, Japan quality, 2,499.75. And here is the other one.